In this video, I'll show you how to remove backgrounds using Figma AI. If you want to cut out the background from an image without using another editing tool, Figma AI makes this very simple. Figma's current help page says you can remove the background from any image directly inside Figma, which is useful when you want to place a product photo, profile picture, or object on top of another design without the original background behind it. To get started, open your Figma file and select the image you want to edit. Make sure the image is already placed on the canvas first. Once the image is selected, look for the image editing tools that appear in the toolbar. In Figma Design, Figma Slides, and Figma Sites, the option appears in the secondary toolbar as Remove Background. Now just click Remove Background. Figma AI will process the image automatically and separate the main subject from the background. You do not need to manually trace around the object or erase anything by hand. Figma describes this as a one-step background removal tool, which is why it is much faster than doing the same task manually. If you are working in FigJam, the path is a little different. After selecting the image, use the inline toolbar, open AI Tools, and then choose Remove Background. If you are using Figma Buzz, select the image, open Edit, and then choose Remove Background there. So the exact button location depends on which Figma product you are using, but the result is the same. After the background is removed, take a moment to zoom in and check the edges of the subject. This is especially useful for images with hair, shadows, or soft edges. If needed, you can continue editing the image with other Figma AI tools. Figma also supports features like Edit with Prompt, Erase Object, Isolate Object, and Boost Resolution, so you can clean up the image further without leaving Figma. There are two more things to keep in mind. First, Figma says this feature is part of Figma AI, which components in a real codebase through dev mode. That does not directly publish a Shopify store by itself, but it can help teams map Figma components to implementation code during development. So if you are working with a developer, this can make the handoff much smoother. If you were expecting an automatic export from Figma straight into Shopify, that usually depends on third-party plugins or external services, not Shopify's standard built-in setup. Because those tools can vary, the safest default method is still this. Design in Figma, choose or customize a Shopify theme, create templates as needed, and rebuild the design in Shopify. So the full process is simple. Create your store design in Figma, open online store greater than themes in Shopify, edit your theme, build matching templates and sections, and use code customization if your design needs features that the theme editor alone cannot handle. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.